Why Abuse? Written by Patman and CJ Makwakwane. What is abuse? Nor am I referring to alcohol and drugs abuse. Nor am I praising it, but I shout in deep pain about abuse. I cry of the one called gender-based violence in capital letters. Oh, how depressing it is for women and children. I'm terrified of how dangerously tyranny it is for our nation. Our women and children like cage birds. They live in rotten fear even at churches. They are no longer safe at schools. They are no longer safe even at the safest place called homes. They scream daily in the middle of the night. Their vociferation is that the truth to what is right. Why are we abusing the incapacitated souls? Why do we keep on raping and killing our mothers and sisters? Why being taught us? Hence it should be their protector. Where is the man in you? What happened to your manhood? Where is the love in your heart? Why are you making their lives hard? I call upon all men to cease with this gender-based violence. As men, we should protect our women, not abuse them. We should embrace them with love and care, not violence. As I allow my pen to demonstration my pain. As I ask victims to endeavor and explain why abuse brought to you by